For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
A couple of years prior, digital money probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals, including obscure merchants, yet today the whole situation has seen a change in outlook. As a matter of fact, in actuality, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken in pandemic unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out through mining, these advanced monetary standards are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary financial tempests. Basically, digital money is a totally decentralized cash essentially founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and confirm all new sections into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving digital forms of money, viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether likewise highlight Near Protocol as a dominating player. Close to protocol cryptocurrency, let's near the roots. The powerful arrangements presented by Near are the side effect of the minds and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their sensational commitment to these noteworthy administrations. Made by engineers Alex Skdanov and Ilya Polosukhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. They made the convention principally as foundation for innovation to have decentralized applications, dapps. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto Goliaths like Ethereum and other driving savvy contract-empowered blockchains. Close to Protocol's local token is additionally called Near and is utilized to pay for exchange expenses and capacity. Taking out siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole biological system of novel installment passages that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Close custom of a legacy and values which are established on the structure of more prominent financial decency and a chance for all through examination, schooling, and charity. Close to protocol, nearing the advantages. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to fulfill developing consumer needs by opening the force of blockchain and find actual success in radically speeding up the speed, cost, and reliability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they execute exchanges. Close to convention has likewise fundamentally dissolved the job of mediators by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized foundation. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is an undeniable selection of financial backers because of fast, cost proficiency, and constancy insurance. Close to convention, as it were, can be known as an equivalent to facilitator of shrewd agreement and public proof of stake, POS, blockchain with an outlook to be easy to understand, integrating highlights like comprehensible record names instead of just cryptographic wallet addresses, and the capacity for new clients to connect with dApps and brilliant agreements without requiring a wallet by any stretch of the imagination. With a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding, Near Protocol has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. A vital benefit of sharding has been to diminish the computational burden by parting or dividing the organization into shards, or pieces. This would, thusly, speed up network limit. Close to convention utilizes a bartering framework to pick validators each age around like clockwork, and validators who have more huge stakes have more impact in the agreement cycle. Close to protocol price forecast, 2022 to 2026. Assumptions from blockchain principles make certain to fill considering the first pandemic toward the finish of 2022, as per the new information report of Moody. Close to protocol digital money is the third biggest cryptographic money, and by 2023, it is searching for some progressions. Going by the verifiable information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost forecast, the Near Protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year with its collusions and accomplices on a development bench, keeping fingers crossed. The ongoing cost of Near Protocol remains at $10.50 with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The ongoing circling supply of Near Protocol remains at 645,747,533 Near. Close to protocol price prediction 2022. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the limits of an even triangle on the hourly graph, the Near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting in the scope of $12, $15. Close to protocol price prediction 2023. Going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be really ideal for the Near coin's team, particularly with rivals making up for lost time, the intensity or the market reflecting monstrous instability. There is an anticipated possibility of Near costs causing a misfortune, showing some opposition yet just pitiful, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Close to protocol price prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Near protocol will control the crypto coin realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $17.92. This is identical to the vary that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021 in the news, which shows Near coin cost has maximum capacity going by the example to support as well as could reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances. Close to protocol price prediction 2025. This year could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of the Near protocol is anticipated to outperform a normal of $17.92 definitely. This year, no vital elements like pandemics or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies. It is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be making a course for fix work in every single world economy and the crypto market. Close to protocol price prediction 2026. Dealers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Near, following this token intently for putting away cash. Thus, cost expectations for Near coins for this entire year give very reassuring indications expressing that the coin cost could leap to about $21.52 by 2026. Close to protocol price forecast beyond 2026. Digital currencies specialists generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, merchants can expect to circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of Near protocol would develop dramatically, by when Near token would be not any more a gullible contestant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player being fixed at $29.32.